All right, folks, it's Mark Sugar here at Dodge City on 8th Street East in Saskatoon, right here. And we have the 2022 Wrangler Unlimited Sahara Altitude in Tuscadero Pearl. All right, so this one has the 3.6 liter Pentastar VVT V6 engine with the stop-start. And let's take a look at the grille up front here, the bumper with the recovery tow hooks and the fog lamps on there. So the special thing is the pink paint on this one. You see the new fender flare, the lights on the fender flares for the new body style. You got the black badging. Unlimited means 4 doors. The black rims, Bridgestone tires. You got the running boards on this one here. Let's move around. Let's have a good look here at this Sahara Altitude. Altitude is the black rims, backup camera at the back there now, right in the middle. Recovery tow hook on the back. That's metallic pink paint is awesome. Alright, so you got your Jeep, the JL, the old body style was called JK, so this is the new body style, JL. And you'll see right there the 2-door, the 4-door, and water fording up to 30 inches. Made in USA, developed in Auburn Hills, Michigan, built in Toledo, Ohio since 1941. Trail rail ready, so you can get some accessories to go along there. Have a look inside here. So you see the nice pink paint on there when you take the hard top off here. The hard top is body color, 12 volt plug right there. Let's open this up here. A little extra storage here. Plus, this is where you put your roof bolts, 4 windshield bolts, door hinges right here. Your jack is under there. Fold the seats down here as well by using those levers right there. Okay, let's go around. Fuel door. Oops, just dropped the key fob here. Key fob looks like this. Alright, let's take a look in the back seat. Nice leather. Fold this down here. Speakers, hard top. Got some insulation on this hard top here. Make it a little quieter on the road. You could add some all-weather floor mats if you like. USB plugs here. Plug in here. Give you a look at the window sticker. This is in Canadian dollars here. So the warranty is 5 years or 100,000 kilometers, whichever expires first, and that's on the powertrain. And that includes 24-hour roadside assistance that's fully transferable. Here's your gas mileage in Canada. It's about 11 liters per 100 kilometers combined, 12 in the city, 10 on the highway. That averages to be 24 miles per gallon. And here's a good look. So base price, you could start building these at 51. Here's all your standard equipment with Google Android Auto, and then Apple CarPlay, and then of course we add the optional equipment of the paint. And there's your total price, 60 grand Canadian dollars right there. Gorilla Glass, so they upgraded that. All right, so there's a look at the window sticker, and let's jump in here. Take these doors off. This is trail rated. Black badging, looking good. These tops will come off super easy here. Okay, so doors come off easy. Power mirrors, defrost mirrors. 69 kilometers on this one. Just got it in, just got it washed up, so you got some storage there. Extra storage there with a USB port. Glove box is right here with your owner's manual. Ports, start it up, push button start, foot on the brake. And you got your 2 high, you got your 4 auto, 4 high, park time. So you don't use this on dry pavement, you use this in loose, wet, slippery conditions. You can use that maybe in the winter time. Otherwise on dry pavement you could be in 4 high, neutral, and 4 low. And there you got your park, reverse, neutral, drive, and then switch it over. You can do manual, but I mean, just put it in drive and it's gonna go. Emergency brake here, nice leather wrapped shifter, rear view mirror. There's my business card right there, Mark Sugar at Dodge City. Home link right here, easy to program. I have another YouTube video explaining that. You take your universal or your garage door opener, you hold it about close to this here, you press and hold it, and press and hold this at the same time, and watch this, and it'll start beeping. Do it in front of your garage door. These open super easy. 1, 2, 3, and 4, like that, and this will pop off nice and easy. Okay, and you got your mirror here. Okay, so here, turn the music off. Oops. All right, so you got your cruise control here. This one's missing the adaptive cruise control. You got this will control everything here, and Siri button or your voice command buttons here if you don't have Apple. And here you can customize this. It's 10 degrees here today, but you could change that to be time or average kilometers, fuel economy, compass. Change that to whatever you want, but right now it's gas gauge and temperature right there. And there's so right there you see we're in too high right now, and you know, I can move it 4 high, auto, whatever you want, but I'll leave it there. And your RPM gauge there, your speedometer here, you can have digital speedometer there, and you can also switch tire pressure, your off-road drivetrain, your pitch and roll. So it looks like we're on a 1 degree slant right now. Your fuel economy, trip info, stop start, it's not ready yet. Audio's on local radio station. Press OK to enter your screen setup and do your custom settings there, okay? And I just use that to go through each page, and you can go sideways on each page as well. So I'm gonna leave it there. And of course, 8.4-inch Uconnect system. So local radio, I usually switch to Sirius satellite radio, which is free for 1 year. And I can recommend to you the Pitbull channel, club music, Latin music, house music, hip hop, all that kind of stuff. A lot of DJs on this channel, including DJ SC in Dallas, Texas there, official DJ of the Dallas Cowboys. He'll be playing live on here as well. Great guy. So you got your hits, Pandora Now, and TikTok Radio. Press and hold, and it's saved in there. And you have a couple rows to save all your favorites. And back here you'll have, I don't know if you could see that, but that's, you got controls for volume and stations on everything. There's 3 controls back here and also on this side as well. A little bit of room up here for radar detectors, or keep your cell phone up there or whatever. So you got your whatever you want, your source, so you can play music through your phone, through Bluetooth. I don't think people use auxiliary cables anymore. USB 1, USB 2, AM, FM, satellite radio. Climate control, so you can use the touch screen, or you can use these hard buttons right here as well. And your hard buttons, defrost, pretty self-explanatory. The auto, stop start, screen off, touch it, goes back on. So your climate controls, your other controls such as your backup camera. So there we are, Dodge City. I'll X out of that, and then we'll go to your apps. So your travel link, so you can check the weather if you forget your phone at home. You can see the snow, ice, rain on here when you're traveling, or you can check the forecast, 3 and 6 hours, 5-day, change location. So I mean, if you forgot your phone at home, no problem, you still got information. Fuel prices are crazy right now, so we'll sort by price. That's crazy. So you know, so movie listings, sports, navigation, so you can view map. When you set your destination in here, you also get turn-by-turn directions there as well. So you can do some settings in here as well. And phone, I don't have a phone paired right now, but it's super easy. This is the easiest screen to use out of all the makes and models of vehicles. So more on the apps here. So as soon as you get in here, you want to hit this Go Activate Services, put your email in there, and then you confirm your email address. You get the Uconnect app, And then you have free services in there for a year, such as remote start or check your tire pressure, see your gas, see your oil levels, all that stuff. Off-road pages is a little bit fun in the Jeep Wrangler here. Jeep Wrangler and the Jeep Gladiator. So please wait, it's loading up for the first time. It says you may be lost, but you're never stuck. And here you go. So there's your drivetrain, your accessory gauges, your pitch and roll, like we saw on the instrument cluster here. I'm gonna take that off right now and just show you a couple of the apps here. Custom settings. So when you do get your Jeep, you wanna do some custom settings on here. You wanna do custom settings on your navigation. And you wanna do some custom settings here, okay? So spend a little bit of time and go over your Jeep, touch all the buttons, and because the doors come off, that is where you roll down your windows, right here. So not on the side of the door. Traction control, your fan levels, okay? So that's a good look at the Jeep Wrangler Altitude Edition in Tuscadero pink. I just wanted to show you the special edition. So I will shut that off now. I'm gonna step out, take one last look around here. Please like and subscribe to the video. We're at Dodge City here. There's a Jeep Wagoneer. There's a good close-up look at this paint, the metallic paint in there. Okay, so one last look around. Please like this YouTube channel, please share, leave a comment, say hi, come visit me if you're in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan, Canada. All right, folks, last walk around, and I have another pink Jeep video, and that one is of the Rubicon. But the Rubicon didn't have the body color hardtop on it, so this one looks better. Rubicon has more capability, of course. Okay. So I think that's a good look. Any other questions, just give me a message. I'll get back to you. All right, that's all for now.